Let's make a flashing text. Select the text tool from this tool panel and write your text. Now, from this Essential Graphics panel, go ahead and modify or edit your text first of all. After that, go to Effects panel and search here strobe light and add this strobe light effect to your text clip. Then go to Effect Controls and under strobe light effect, here you will find this option strobe color. Just click on this color box and select a flashing color for your text, and then you can change strobe duration. You can also change your strobe period, second, and random strobe probability. Now let's play our timeline, and as you can see, my text is now flashing. That's it.